What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Rob coming in the building. I know I'm coming in here with something a little different today. Got a mini little drone. My wife got me for Christmas. Just something different to get into the drone hobby. Just a little starter kit drone here. Nothing too fancy or nothing. But we're gonna be looking to test this out today, just to see how it handles. And it is brushless. It's a brushless, got brushless motors, so it should fly pretty smoothly. It's a little bit windy out here, and I know that affects the quality of how stable this thing could be. So we'll see. Just stay tuned. There we go, guys. Let's see what we could do. I gotta get used to it's hard to tell what's the front. Got a little speed. Oh shit, that's a little fast. It's got a little speed to it. Let's bring her back, try to recalibrate. Okay. We'll try to bring her down now. See if we can land her. Whoa! Oh shit! Damn it! Well, fuck, that wasn't supposed to happen, guys. Wow. Well, it might be the end of it, guys. Oh no. Something beeping. All right, guys, let's try this again. Had a big crash. I'll try to recalibrate everything now. Let's get a program. Let's do this. We're gonna turn off, recalibrate everything. Get the remote on. Let's get the car or the drone on. Program it. Up, down. Okay, that's programmed. Now, okay, that's programmed. Stop flashing. Should be good to take off now. Let's go. As you can see, let's lift up. Gonna bump the engine speeds up, guys. There we go. We gonna gear 3. Let's go. Want you this way. There you go. There you go. Come on down. Come on down some. Get a good look. Not a bad little drone, man. We wiped out the first, but it's all good. If I can start the feed over. Stay in front. Stay in front. So climb up in altitude. Go forward. Looking to go forward. Not a bad speed at all. Okay. Okay. Swivel it on back this way, bruh. Okay, okay. Come on, turn her around. Let's get on back up altitude. Let me see you. Come back this way. There you go. There you go. Got some more power to it. It's definitely got some power to it, guys. This is definitely a budget-friendly drone off of Amazon. I think it's called Tizzy or something to that effect, man. At $100 drone. For brushless motors, it's not bad. You get 2 batteries. Just something to start out with. Be looking to get a DJI drone here soon. But I just want to get the hang of control in general. So bring it down. Bring it down to altitude. Swing around. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Eye level. There you go. Take off. Let's go. Okay. Swing it back around. Swing it back around. We're coming back this way with it. Coming back this way with it. There we go. All right, we're getting the hang of it. We're getting the hang of it, fellas. A little rusty at first. Bring it down. Bring it down to eye level. Let's bring it down to eye level. See if we can get a little bit more control. It's windy out here too, by the way, guys. There we go. Get a good look at it. Sound like a little fly or something. Gotta watch them trees. Come on back this way. Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh, almost wiped out again. Come on, come back to eye level. All right, let's move it back towards the car. It's getting a little chilly out, guys. Getting the hang of it though. Gonna bring it back to the car. Yep, battery going dead. It's starting to beep on me. There we go. Perfect landing this time, fellas. All right, guys. At this point, made it to the end of the video. Had a nice little landing to end the video this time. My thoughts on it. It's pretty decent little drone for $100 just to get started into the drone RCs here. So might be looking to get one of the DJI drones here soon. Just getting a good feel for how to control these things. But yeah, if you found this video entertaining, go ahead, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, peace.